Good evening to you. Storm Isha will make its presence felt, particularly tomorrow night into Monday morning. Before we get there, though, we do have a Met Office yellow warning of heavy rain across some central and southern areas, valid until midnight. The risk of localised flooding and difficult travelling conditions. That rain, though, will move away into the North Sea during the early hours, leaving clear spells and showers. A touch of frost for northeastern areas. Strong to gale force winds for the west coast and the northeast coast. But tomorrow morning generally is looking relatively quiet compared with tomorrow afternoon. A lot of dry, bright weather before we see the first signs of Storm Isha moving in, a deepening area of low pressure which is going to bring disruptive and damaging gusts of wind across a large swathe of the country, as well as heavy rain at times too. We have several Met Office warnings in place. The first for high winds from midday tomorrow until midday on Monday. The risk of some very high winds across much of the country. And then this heavy rain warning from 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon until midnight. The risk of localised flooding and difficult travelling conditions. Then the higher tier amber warning from 6 o'clock tomorrow evening until 9 o'clock on Monday morning for central and southern areas. And then the next amber warning from 9 o'clock tomorrow night until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning across much of central and northern Scotland. Gusts widely of 60 to 70 miles per hour across central and southern areas, up to 80 for coastal areas. 65 to 85 during the early hours across central and northern areas, perhaps even in excess of this for some exposed coastal areas.